Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Forza Horizon 5 on Mac. Start by checking hardware and software needs, then pick the easiest method for your setup. I walk you through boot camp, cloud streaming, and virtualization choices, and explain pros, cons, and cost trade-offs. Follow along step by step to avoid common pitfalls and get the best performance out of your Mac with clear, practical tips you can apply right away. I explain how to set up Boot Camp for the best native performance on compatible Macs, covering partitioning, driver installation, and Windows updates. You will learn safe disk resizing tips, where to get necessary drivers, and how to optimize power and graphics settings for gaming. I also cover common issues like audio or controller problems and how to verify game files so your Forza Horizon 5 experience is smooth and stable from the first race. I cover cloud streaming options like Xbox Cloud Gaming and third-party services that let you play Forza Horizon 5 without installing Windows locally. You will learn how to choose a plan, set up controllers, and tweak network settings to reduce latency. I also explain virtualization pros and cons on both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs, and share tips to improve frame stability and input responsiveness so your races feel more natural and competitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.